Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Airpod Pros Ear tips is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for anyone who owns Apple's premium earbuds, as the right ear tips can dramatically enhance comfort, improve passive noise isolation, and ensure a secure fit for all-day listening, whether you're commuting, working out, or just enjoying your favorite music, making them a crucial component for unlocking the full potential of your AirPods Pro experience. Number 5. YUWAKAYI Replacement Ear Tips for AirPods Pro. Experience superior noise cancellation with these replacement ear tips. They feature specially designed holes to maintain the original headphones' noise reduction capabilities. Each tip includes a built-in dust guard screen, just like the originals. This ensures a secure fit and prevents dust from entering your earbuds. Crafted from premium, soft silicone, these ear tips are incredibly lightweight. Enjoy hours of comfortable listening without any ear fatigue. Designed for a perfect fit with your AirPods Pro and Pro 2nd generation. They connect seamlessly and stay securely in place, even during active use. These ear tips fit flawlessly into the original AirPods Pro charging case. You can charge them without any hassle, just like the original ones. Comes with a convenient storage box to keep your ear tips organized and protected. It holds multiple sizes, ensuring you always have the perfect fit. What we like. These offer excellent noise reduction, mirroring the original design with dedicated holes. They also feature a built-in dust guard for durability and a comfortable fit with multiple sizes. If you prioritize maintaining the original noise-canceling performance and want a secure, comfortable fit, these are a great choice. What people say. The soft silicone material feels gentle on the ears, allowing extended listening sessions without discomfort or irritation. The secure fit offered by these ear tips is exceptional. They snugly conform to the contours of my ears, ensuring that my AirPods Pro stays in place even during vigorous activities like workouts or runs. The noise isolation provided by the replacement ear tips is remarkable. The snug fit creates a seal that effectively blocks out external noise, allowing me to fully immerse myself in my music, podcasts, or calls. Number 4. Link Dream Replacement Ear Tips for AirPods Pro. These replacement ear tips are designed for a perfect fit with your AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation. They ensure seamless induction and charging without any interference. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these ear tips effectively block external noise. Enjoy your music with the original sound quality of your in-ear headphones. Experience exceptional comfort with their proper softness, allowing for extended wear without ear pain. They stay securely in place, even during intense workouts. Keep your spare earbuds safe and clean with the included portable storage box. It prevents them from getting lost or dirty when not in use. Replacing your old ear tips is simple. Just remember to remove the white cup along with the old tips for a smooth transition. What we like. These are designed for a perfect fit with AirPods Pro and Pro 2, ensuring no impact on induction or charging. They effectively block outside noise without compromising sound quality and offer comfort for extended use. If you need a reliable replacement that maintains functionality and comfort, consider these. What people say. The ear tips fit perfectly and create a great seal, improving noise cancellation. They are comfortable for long listening sessions and stay in place during workouts. The different sizes included ensure a secure and personalized fit for most users. Number 3. AirPods Pro Replacement Ear Tips with Cleaner Kit. Ensure a perfect fit for your AirPods Pro, whether you have the 1st or 2nd generation. These replacement ear tips are designed for seamless installation and compatibility with both original and USB-C charging cases. Experience superior noise cancellation with our specially designed ear tips. They feature dual noise reduction holes, mirroring the original design to maintain the immersive sound quality you expect. Keep your earbuds clean and protected. Each tip includes a built-in dust guard screen, preventing debris from entering and ensuring your earbuds stay in place, even during intense workouts. Crafted from premium, soft silicone, these ear tips offer exceptional comfort for extended wear. Their lightweight design ensures a pleasant listening experience without fatigue. Find your perfect fit with 4 available sizes, XS, S, M, and L. These replacement tips cater to the needs of every family member, ensuring optimal comfort and seal for all. Maintain your earbuds with our convenient cleaning pen. This dual-ended tool features a metal tip for precise cleaning and a soft brush for gentle surface care, suitable for various digital devices. What we like. These feature noise-canceling holes and a built-in dust screen, similar to the originals, for optimal performance and durability. They offer a super comfortable fit and come with a unique cleaning pen for thorough maintenance. If you're looking for enhanced noise cancellation, a comfortable fit, and the added benefit of a cleaning tool, these are an excellent option. What people say. Compatible with both the AirPods Pro first and second generations, these little guys come with all the upgrades, noise reduction holes, built-in dust guards, and a cleaner kit to ensure that no bit of dust or earwax stands between you and perfect sound quality. They come with a noise-reducing hole, so you get a better seal and less sound leakage. Plus, the dust guard feature keeps the inside of your AirPods cleaner than a germaphobe's dream, so you're not constantly battling dirt buildup. 3 size options to fit all ear shapes, because everyone deserves a perfect fit. Number 2. Link Dream Replacement Ear Tips for AirPods Pro. Ensure a perfect fit for your AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro second generation. These ear tips maintain full functionality, including induction and charging, even when stored in their case. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these ear tips effectively block out ambient noise. Enjoy your audio without compromising the original sound quality of your headphones. Experience exceptional comfort with their soft texture, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. They stay securely in place, even during your most active workouts. Keep your spare ear tips safe and clean with the included portable storage box. It prevents loss and protects them from dirt when not in use. Replacing your old ear tips is simple. Remember to remove the entire white cup component when detaching the old ones for a smooth transition. What we like. These provide a perfect fit for your AirPods Pro and Pro 2, ensuring seamless charging and induction. They effectively block ambient noise while preserving your audio quality and are comfortable enough for all-day wear. If you value a secure fit, good noise isolation, and long-lasting comfort, these are a solid pick. What people say. Fit and have stayed on, works exactly as advertised. Sound quality is exactly the same as before, better, since the old one was worn out. They are comfortable and the different sizes help with that. They look identical to the original tips. Super easy to install, they pop right on. The seal also seems identical to my original AirPod ear tips. They fit the Apple AirPod Pro 2nd Gen. They're a little tight to get on, but that means they won't fall off. 3 sizes are nice to pick from and are comfortable for what you pay for them. Number 1. JLab Cloud Foam Mnemonic Earbud Tips. Get ready for an unparalleled listening experience. Our innovative earbud tips deliver deep, enhanced bass and vibrant high tones, ensuring your audio sounds its absolute best. Enjoy long-lasting comfort thanks to our signature cloud foam technology. These tips provide a plush feel, making extended listening sessions a true pleasure. Designed to expand once in your ear, these tips ensure a secure fit that never slips out. Say goodbye to ear fatigue and enjoy a comfortable, stable listening experience. With 3 different sizes included, you can find the perfect fit for any earbud. They are universally compatible, offering a personalized experience for everyone. We stand behind our products with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year limited warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. These utilize cloud foam technology to expand and create a custom, secure fit that prevents slipping. They are designed to enhance sound quality with deep bass and vibrant highs, offering long-lasting comfort. If you're looking for a universal solution that prioritizes comfort, a secure fit, and an improved listening experience, these are worth considering. What people say. They provide excellent sound isolation. You will hear very little of the outside world, way less than when using the silicone earbuds. Another advantage is that they provide more comfort and eliminate ear fatigue than the original JLab silicone ear tips, especially if you are using the earbuds continuously for a long time, say a couple of hours. When the ear tips have been installed, the earbuds fit perfectly into the charging cases. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.